So friends, let's see today's Goan sweet and sour lime pickle. Now here I'm going to wash and wipe 3 large limes or limbus. Now between the 2 points, we're going to cut exactly in the center. Whenever you cut a lime, especially for beginners, it's always to be cut between the 2 points of the lime. Then you're just going to take off the seeds or the pips as much as you can. And then cut each half into small little fours like this. See that you get all the seeds out. So I'm just using 3 limes. I want to make a small quantity, but you can always increase the quantity, double or triple it. Now I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix the salt in really well. And we're going to keep these limes at the side for about 10 to 15 minutes after applying the salt. Now in the meantime, I'm going to prepare the masala for this pickle. So here I'm taking 3/4 of a teaspoon of red chilli powder, that is normal red chilli powder. You can also lessen the quantity if you don't want it very spicy. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now this teaspoon is half a teaspoon measure. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. So this is just for the color. It doesn't have any spiciness in it. Next goes in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix all of this really well together. These are all our dry ingredients. So mix it really well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So there's no water in this recipe at all. Now mix this to get a nice thick paste. Set this paste aside. Now after 15 minutes, you will see that the lemons or the limes have given off some lime juice. So you're just going to press it down with a spoon very gently and extract as much juice as you can. And we're going to set this aside and use this later for this pickle. Now I've just heated 3 cups of water. I'm going to place a sieve on top of it, and I'm going to steam these limes for about 8 to 9 minutes on a high flame. Now you can also use a steamer alternatively. I'm just showing you this to you for people who don't have a steamer. After 8 minutes, you'll see that the limes have softened up a bit. So you're just going to take them out in a bowl and let them come to room temperature. Now, if you really want the limes to become even more softer, you can just steam them for another 8 minutes or another, like a total 15 minutes on a very low flame. Now, I'm going to heat 1/4 cup of oil. All pickles require a lot of oil because that's a preservative. That's how the lifespan of the pickle remains longer. Once this oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, and I'm going to throw in about 6 to 7 fresh curry leaves. Let the curry leaves fry really well in this oil, and then I'm going to add this ground masala paste. Now I just chop the curry leaves into smaller bits, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Goa jaggery. And I'm also going to add the lime juice that we had taken, after pressing the limes. I'm going to add it to this masala paste bowl and try to get all of this masala into the mixture. I don't want to waste any of this lovely taste of this masala paste. So I'm just going to use that lime juice because we're not adding any water, remember, for this pickle. And now after 5 minutes, you'll see that the mixture has become nice and thick. So that's when you're going to add the limes which we have cooked, just to soften them up a bit so that they absorb all of this lovely, paste or mixture. And then turn off the heat immediately and let the mixture cool completely to room temperature. Only then will you transfer it into a nice, dry, clean bottle. And, you can have it instantly, or you can have it, or the shelf life is up to a month if you refrigerate it.
Recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.